Okay, so हामी यतिखेर छौँ घन्द्रुक जाने बाटोमै पुगिसकेको छ। क्रेक सरलाई हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईँहरू। त्यसपछि पछाडितिर हाम्रो सबैजना टिमका मेम्बरहरू। एना ज्यास्मिन कता हो राइट?
Jasmine.
ओके ज्यास्मिन ल। ज्यास्मिन कहाँ छौ तिमी? ज्यास्मिन कहाँ छौ तिमी? मैले देखिन।
Water bottle.
ज्यास्मिन कहाँ छौ तिमी? ओके। So we just got down from the jeep and we have Nick right now. You can see Nick here and Craig Phillips, Jasmine there, and this is our team. And we're gonna go up to where, Nick? ABC camp. And this is trekking start boys. You can see Teresa, Craig right here, and our very strong brother Jay, looking very handsome today, and Manish, and we have Anna. Anna is gonna go to ABC after 17 years. She's been to ABC, the youngest person ever been to ABC camp in the world, ever in Nepal, in the history of Nepal. And this is Jasmine, the second youngest again. He's trying to go to ABC. Where are we going to, Nick?
Annapurna Base Camp.
Annapurna Base Camp. Tell us who else are here.
Raju uncle and Vishnu uncle and Manishta and Suresh.
And your brother Jay here, your dad Craig, your mom Teresa, and Annalene just walking right here, and Jasmine. So, and how many days this is gonna be like? 4 days? 5 days? We're coming with a lot of videos. We are gonna update
6 days.
everything what we go through and see through. All right. We have just crossed. We have almost come and arrived to Chomlung, right? Chomlung. And I'm feeling very tired. I was carrying Jasmine on my soldier right here, and I thought Jay could carry, but